Leadership remains a critical element of success. Even in today's rapidly changing world, organizations face constant disruption from technological advancements, globalization, and evolving workforces. Amidst this complexity, effective leadership is more crucial than ever. It provides direction, aligns resources, and inspires individuals to achieve shared goals. Age-old debates about leadership persist. Are leaders born with innate qualities, or can leadership be learned? This question, are leaders born or made, has fueled countless discussions and research studies. While certain traits can be advantageous, contemporary perspectives recognize leadership as a dynamic process rather than a fixed set of characteristics. Our understanding of leadership continues to evolve. Early theories focused on identifying the traits of great leaders, assuming that these qualities were universal and timeless. However, this approach proved to be limited and often failed to predict leadership effectiveness across different contexts. Modern leadership research emphasizes the importance of understanding leadership as a process of influence within groups, recognizing that effective leadership is highly dependent on the specific situation. As we delve deeper into the complexities of leadership, it becomes clear that effective leadership is not about holding a particular position or possessing a predetermined set of traits. Instead, it is about fostering relationships, building trust, and empowering others to achieve collective success. By understanding the evolving nature of leadership, we can develop more effective leaders and build stronger organizations. Early leadership theories often focused on the idea of the great person. These theories suggested that some individuals are born with inherent traits that destine them for leadership roles. Charisma, intelligence, and decisiveness were often cited as essential qualities of these natural-born leaders. However, this great person theory has several limitations. Firstly, it fails to account for the significant role of context in shaping leadership effectiveness. A leader who thrives in one situation may struggle in another, depending on factors like organizational culture, team dynamics, and the nature of the task at hand. Secondly, the great person theory can create unrealistic expectations and limit opportunities for leadership development. If we believe that leaders are born, not made, we may overlook the potential of individuals who don't fit the stereotypical mold but possess other valuable skills and experiences. Contemporary leadership research has shifted away from this trait-based perspective, emphasizing instead the importance of leadership as a process. This process-focused view recognizes that leadership emerges from the interactions between individuals within a specific context. It acknowledges that effective leadership is not solely determined by innate qualities, but also by skills, behaviors, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. This shift in perspective has significant implications for leadership development. Instead of focusing solely on identifying individuals with predetermined traits, organizations can focus on cultivating leadership skills and behaviors in all individuals. This approach recognizes that leadership potential is not limited to a select few and that everyone has the capacity to develop their leadership abilities. Leadership is not limited to formal titles or positions of authority. While some individuals are assigned leadership roles, others naturally emerge as leaders within their teams and organizations. Recognizing and nurturing these emergent leaders is crucial for organizational success. Assigned leadership refers to individuals who are officially designated as leaders, often based on their position within an organizational hierarchy. They hold formal authority and are responsible for guiding their teams towards achieving specific goals. In contrast, emergent leadership arises organically from within a group or team. These individuals may not have formal authority, but they gain influence and respect through their expertise, communication skills, and ability to inspire others. Consider the example of a software development team. While a project manager may be the assigned leader, a software engineer with deep technical expertise and excellent communication skills might emerge as a leader during technical discussions and problem-solving sessions. This emergent leader's influence stems not from their formal position, but from their knowledge and ability to guide their peers. Organizations that recognize and cultivate emergent leadership benefit in several ways. Firstly, it allows them to tap into the diverse talents and perspectives within their workforce. Secondly, it fosters a culture of shared leadership, empowering individuals at all levels to contribute their ideas and take initiative. Finally, it strengthens team cohesion and performance as individuals feel valued and empowered to contribute their unique strengths. By creating an environment where emergent leadership can flourish, organizations can unlock the full potential of their workforce. Power dynamics are an inherent part of leadership. Understanding the different bases of power and the distinction between influence and coercion is crucial for ethical and effective leadership. French and Raven's taxonomy of power bases provides a helpful framework for understanding how power operates in organizations. They identified 5 bases of power: legitimate, reward, coercive, expert, and referent. Legitimate power stems from one's formal position and authority within an organization. Reward power is based on the ability to provide rewards or incentives. Coercive power relies on the ability to punish or withhold rewards. Expert power comes from possessing specialized knowledge or skills. Referent power is based on admiration, respect, and the desire to emulate the leader. Influence and coercion represent 2 distinct approaches to wielding power. Influence involves persuading others to act willingly, often through inspiration, rational argumentation, or relationship building. Coercion, on the other hand, relies on force, threats, or punishment to compel compliance. While coercion might achieve short-term results, it often breeds resentment, damages relationships, and undermines long-term commitment. Consider the example of a sales manager trying to motivate their team to meet a challenging target. A manager who relies on coercive power might threaten their team with negative consequences if they fail to meet the target, creating a climate of fear and anxiety. In contrast, a manager who leverages influence might inspire their team with a compelling vision, provide them with the necessary resources and support, and celebrate their successes along the way. Effective leaders understand that influence is a far more sustainable and ethical approach to power than coercion. By building strong relationships, communicating effectively, and empowering their teams, leaders can create a positive and productive work environment where individuals feel motivated and valued.